welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about variable, term, expression and equation. What is a variable? Variable is a symbol to represent the unknown value. Generally we use the alphabet to represent a variable. So here this x and this y are the variables. In the first question we have x plus 6. So there are two terms. Generally we differentiate term by using either addition symbol or the subtraction symbol. So the first term is x here and the second term is 6. In the third question we have only one term, 6y. Now let us talk about the expression. Expression is a combination of terms. In the first question you can see x plus 6. Expression do not contain equal to sign. It contains only terms, either one term or more than one term. So in x plus 6 we can take different values of x. If we take x is equal to 5, we will have 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Suppose we take x is equal to 6, then we will have 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So in expression, we can allocate different values to the variable. Same way, in the third question, we have 6y. So if we take y is equal to 1, we will have 6 times 1 is equal to 6. If we allocate y is equal to 3, then we will have 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Now we have already talked about expression. Now let us talk about the equation. In equation, you will have the equal to sign. And you will not have equal to sign in expression. That's the difference between expression and equation. So in the second question we have x plus 3 is equal to 9. In equation the variable has a value. You cannot assign different values to the variable as expression in equation. So suppose if I take x is equal to 1 here, then we will have 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, which is not equal to 9. So we cannot assign different values to the variable in equation. Instead of assigning values, what we can do is we can solve this equation. So we have x plus 3 is equal to 9. We want to solve it for the variable x, so we will subtract this 3 from both sides. So on the left side we can cross out this plus 3 and minus 3 because it will be 0. So only x will left on the left side, and on the right side 9 minus 3 is 6. So in this equation the variable x has the specific value 6. Now let us talk about the another equation. 4y is equal to 12. As I said earlier, you cannot assign the different values to the variable in equation. Equation has a specific solution to the variable. So between 4 and y there is a multiplication sign. So to remove 4, we will do exactly opposite of the multiplication. And opposite of the multiplication is the division. So we will divide both sides by 4 to solve this equation. So 4 over 4 is 1, so we can cross out 4 on the left side. So only y is there. And on the right side 12 divided by 4 is 3. So y is equal to 3 is the solution of this equation. Hope this will make clear the difference between expression and equation.